Hello everyone, my name is Shweta. Today I'll discuss about digital marketing services which I am providing. I have total 3 years of work experience in digital marketing. So today I'll share my portfolio, what I have worked for my clients, how I have worked for my clients, and most of the work means based in what basis. Like in digital marketing, mostly in four bases are there, or four different type of there, just like SEO, SEM, Google Analytics, and Google AdWords, and then it is more like to means other stuffs, content marketing mostly. So mostly if I'll comprises my work, then I can say most of the work is related to social media marketing, means as a SEM, then content marketing, and then I work for Google Analytics. Then in the end I work for SEO, means I work for both in SEO, front page and back page as well, means front side and back side both are I have worked. And mostly I have knowledge in create, means on page SEO, on page SEO I have more experience in that. So I'll show you my portfolio so that you will get an idea like what are the works I have done in my past, so that you can get know what I can do for you. Let me share my screen. This is social media. So when I was working for a company, so these are my clients. So in social media marketing, I was handling near about five different clients. So first one is the IRS Audit Group, that is a US based company. So I was handling their Facebook and LinkedIn page. So here you can see the Facebook and LinkedIn page, and I usually go for 2 to 3 posts in both. And LinkedIn page, it looks little bit more professional as compared to Facebook. Yeah, Facebook is professional, but LinkedIn is more into. So that's why the images I usually create different for both of them, and the writing style, the keyword little bit differ from each other. So likewise, I was handling this client for 5 to 6 months. Then another person was allocated for that. So initially, I was working for this company, this client. Then NIQC Group, that is the institute, and I was handling their Facebook and Google Plus page. So then Aspace is a Australian based company. I was handling their Google Plus page mostly and blog post. And Perfectly Energy Melbourne, that is a Australian based company. I was handling their Instagram and Facebook page. But like Cambia is a that is a South African based company, and this I was handling their Instagram page only. So if you want, you can go through the drive, Google Drive. There you will get all the information, like what are the works I have done for my clients and all. Each and every details you can get from there, my Google Drive. And Google Drive information you can get through my YouTube channel. So from there you will get all the information, like what are the works I have done for my clients and all. So all the proofs are there in Google Drive as well. So let me show you like what are the in a vast manner, what are the works I can do for you. So each and every details I have mentioned over here, let me explain each and everything through this so that it will be clear for you. So my skills are mostly into Microsoft Office program like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, everything I can do. And internet applications, yeah, search engine optimization, search engine management, social media marketing, SCMM tool, Google Hotshots. Mostly I use the Hotshots for to connect 2 to 3 social media sites. Just like for an example, I'll show you like how I work for this. I have already knowledge in this, so you can see like recently I used that for my own work, own sites. So there I was handling. So before that I was handling for my clients, but for that I don't have my personal account. That was the company account, so that's why I work for in that way. So currently so this So I have in Hotsuits mostly at a time you can like post in 2 to 3 sites. For an example, you have sites like in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other Pinterest, and also you can do one thing at a time. You can attach near about 2 to 3 accounts, and at a time you can post a similar post in all. So likewise, you can go through it. So I have already worked on this, so that is why I have already the account over here. So I have knowledge in that. So Google AdWord, yeah, Google AdWord, I am a Google AdWord certified, so I have knowledge in that as well. And YouTube management like publishing and analyzing skills I have, because I have my own YouTube channel as well. From this you can get know, like I have my own YouTube channel. Facebook AI, yeah, I have experience in that. Google Analytics setup, because I have my own Google Analytics site as well for my company. Google Analytics and Google Search Console, yes, I have also that as well. And that's what WordPress setup, publishing and management, all I have. Keyword research, yes, I'm good in that this, because Google keyword research, I have all the techniques, all the strategy for this, how to work on this and all. So how can I help you in this? So for an example, I can help you in like all the I can share my SEO expertise to help you to increase the traffic to your website. So let me tell you like how I can help you in means in SEO. So mostly I can help you in backlink creative, in duplicate links. What are the duplicate links are there? What are the how many backlinks you have? Mostly the list of backlinks you have, and whether it is positive or negative. Each and everything I can give you each and every details, so that it will help you in many way. For an example, like I'm handling your SEO page, right? So first of all, I need to check your website to decide like whether your website is SEO friendly or not. So how can I get know like whether your site is SEO friendly or not? So for that, I need to check your metadata. I have to check your titles. So I need to check your description page as well. All the details I need to check it out. So whether it is SEO friendly or not. So how can I get know like whether it is SEO friendly or not? At that time I need to check it out the keyword based, so whether the important keywords is there or not, and whether the written format is quite interesting, catchy, and the same time it should be keyword friendly as well. Whatever the words has been written, that should be keyword friendly. So likewise I need to research on this. Then in off page SEO, how I can help you in this. One is the on page SEO. These are the on page SEO. In off page SEO, I can check it out your backlinks. I can check it out the duplicate links, how many duplicate links are there. Likewise I can help you in all. Okay, so this is how I can help you in SEO. In SEM, social media marketing, I can help you in all the social media posting and all, and I can help you in all the content generation, each and everything. So these are the works which I can do. And besides that, what I can do, 80 directory submission, 10 blog commenting, I can do it. And social bookmarking, there are many social bookmarking sites are there which I can help you in this. I can post your post, I can share your blog and all, each and everything. Image sharing, classified submission, pin interest submission, 5 keywords. So these are the things which I can do for you. And mostly in my digital marketing, what in a if I go for the monthly basis package, mostly I go for the social media posting and 25 unique images creation. Mostly that is into I have different sites for the image creation, just like Canva. I'm a Canva expert, I have experience on that. So currently it is not paid service, just because because I'm not handling any clients. But as soon as I go for the client, I will go for the paid service as well, because in every month, as per the client's requirement, I go for the paid service when it's needed. So I have knowledge in Canva, so I can go for all the kind of post, and I work for many different clients as well. And likewise you can see the all the designs and all over here. And group sharing, post and commenting increase the like and follows. Facebook reviews, I can go for it. I can comment the people, like if someone if I post over there, if anyone is commenting, then I can give them reply, proper reply as per your branding, as per keeping the brand value in mind. So likewise I can do all the things for you. Yes, the second thing is what I can do is I'm a Wix website developer. So I'm a I am I'm HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP developer. I'm a certified person for that, and I have knowledge in all the things. So I can go for the Wix website designer, all the things, because I'll show you my sites as well, which are created by me itself. So let me show you my site. So why I'm just going for this, because I have my own website as well. So so here I have my own website, that is Yecom InfoSource. So let me show you my site as well. See, this is the Wix website which I have designed by myself. So here you can see all the designs are done by me, and I'll show you my Wix as well, so that you will get a clarification on that, like how many sites I have actually. And this is my site as well, that is for my painting. So here you can see like all the paintings of mine. Mostly I'm a creative person, because if you check it on me on Google, you'll get all the information about my works and all. So you can see this is the portfolio work which I have, means not a portfolio, proper portfolio, because client showcase, yeah, there are a few things are there which I have done by me. And recently also I'm working on this in a very broader way, a broader spectrum, so that I can go for selling this product as well. Mostly this is totally done by me, the whole website and each and everything. And this is my website. So let me show you my sites. This is premium, this is premium, this both are mine. So I'm handling these two sites. So here you can get know, like, yeah, these are my sites. This is totally designed by me. This is totally handled by me only. So likewise, I have a good number of experience in most of the things. Like I'll help you in Wix website, WordPress as well, and along with that, I can help you in like all the website designing, like HTML and CSS website designing as well. So I can help you in this. And about my Google presence, if you just check it out over here, you will get a good number of Google presence are there. Let me show you my work and my presence as well, so that it will be quite easier for you to understand my works and my presence, like how I contribute myself. So these are my Google presence. So from this you can get know, like, yeah, I have a good number of experience in digital marketing. So what are the strategy I apply for myself, for branding myself? So this is for small stuffs which I just shared. So this is the index price, social media presence, YouTube presence, LinkedIn presence, blog, poems, SlideShare, company, WordPress, research, articles, academic, portfolio, review, scribe, freelancing sites, forum, and others. If you check it out all the things, then you will get, like, yeah, most of the things are I have already experienced, and each and every details you can search from this Google itself. You will get all the information from this, like what are the sites I have, what are the works I have done in my past. Each and every details you can get over there as well in Google. Sorry, on Google itself. So mostly all of the sites are mine itself, except one or two people who are outsider. But most of the details which you will find over here, all are mine. Means all are done by me, and all are my work, my content itself. So from this you will get an idea, like, yes, I have already worked on this. I work for digital marketing since last 5 to 7 years, because from 2012 I have started my writing, and I'll show you my different contents as well. So let me share some of my work. So it is a poetry which I have started during in 2012. So likewise, you will get all the details mostly into like 2012 itself mostly. So you can see like I have so my internet presence is since last 7 years. Means on this different kind of digital platform, digital marketing. So this is 2014. So likewise, you will get all the details because this is my my Scribe channel. From there you will get means my Scribe site where you will get all that kind of my work over here itself. You can check it out my works over here. See, these are my works. So I have been working, I have been writing since last many years. So let me go back to my initial work. So if you go through my initial work, you will get know like how since how long I have been into this. Scribe as well. Sorry, SlideShare. Yeah, this is my SlideShare page as well. So you'll get to know, get an idea like since how long I am here and I have been working in this. So this is the details is not shown over here. Mostly it is into 2012 mostly. I have been working on this. So likewise, you can see the presentation. I have 31 near about presentation are there, and documents are 4 documents you can see. Mostly all of my work you can see over here. My presentation, how I have done my presentation, how my presentation skills, each and everything you can get it over here. So from this you can get know ki, yeah, what are the experience I have, how I have worked in my past, and what are the skills I have. Each and every details you can get know from my work itself. So I don't need to mention the things. If you just simply search me on Google, you will get all the information about me. So likewise I have a good number of experience in all the things. So if you are really looking for any kind of digital marketing or a digital marketing person who can help you in your SEO, SEM on all the works, then kindly contact me so that I can help you with a minimal price, because I believe like prices matters, but still work matters more. So that's why I always prefer to go with my clients requirement, how they are looking for. I just try to be I try my 100% to give them the best result, best work, so that they will be satisfied whatever I provide them. I want to utilize my talent in a very proper manner. So that's why I don't bother about the price more. I just want like my whoever my client, they should be happy client, so that they will be come back to me whenever they need me. So this is what I want as a digital marketer. So all of the things are transparent in front of you. All of you get know like how I have worked for this, because few things I can show you, because like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, these are works which I have done for my clients when I was there. Because the details and all the company information in which ID I have created all the things and all, that is not with me. So that's why the proof are not with me currently. Otherwise, I have already experience on that. Keyword research, giving the best blog writing, like trending blog writing, and all the details, all the things I can help you in this. So if you want to try, if you want to go for the simple thing, like if you want to see like my skills, my talent, like whether I'm expertise in this or not, so if you want to know more about that, kindly just contact me. Kindly just go with my work, one of my work. So if you really like it, then you can move ahead with your final project and all. So you can go with this kind of work, so that once you just check it out my work, how I am working for you. So that is the thing I just want to request you. If you don't go blindly, just give me some work. If you really like my work, how I have what means what service I'm providing, whether that is really reliable, whether that is really good. So if you really like my work, then you can go ahead with a long-term project as well, like 1 to 2 years of bond for that. So I'm always open to 1 to 2 years of bond where I can work for you for a longer period. I always believe to work as a longer period. So kindly check it on my work. So if you have any doubts and any query, kindly ping me on Upwork. Otherwise, you can also contact me through my website itself in Com Infosys. You can directly go to the book online. So in here in book online, you can simply book your ticket for digital marketing. So then we can move ahead with the discussion. So once you book over here, you can go for your comfortable time, like comfortable time and date. So as per that, we can start our discussion. I can tell you like in Zoom or Google Meet, wherever you will be free and which medium you really like, we can go for the discussion for that. For an example, I go for 10th and 12th. So likewise, you can add your message like what are the contents you want to discuss and each and everything. Then you can book it over here. Then after that, once you book, I'll get a message on that like yeah, you have raised a request for digital marketing. Then I'll contact you either through mail or your phone number and give you all the details about that. So this is how you can work. So how this is how you can connect with me. So these are all the details you got to know about me. So once you'll feel like yeah, if you feel I am reliable, if you feel like I can work for you, and if you feel like yes, I can work for with a minimal price and all, then contact me on through this. I sure I will get back to you with a proper response and all. So I hope you all you got an idea like what are the projects are, what are the service which I am providing. So thank you all. Hope you like my work and if you really like it, then please contact me on this. Thank you.